Election is set to begin in Santa Fe first thing Monday morning. The state suing the tech giant Meta, accusing it of creating a marketplace for predators targeting children for sexual exploitation. In December of 2023, New Mexico District Attorney Raul Torres filed this lawsuit against Meta, the owners of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, saying they've created a breeding ground for predators targeting children online for sexual exploitation.
Mark Zuckerberg is responsible for this. The Meta executives are responsible for this.
The trial set to begin with jury selection in Santa Fe on Monday. It's the first case of its kind against the social media giant. 40 other states have filed lawsuits against Meta. John Day is KUAT's legal expert.
The New Mexico suit could be a bellwether if it's successful, if Meta is forced to change its policies and procedures and pay a lot of money to New Mexico to compensate victims. It could be a sign that the rest of the country might follow suit.
The lawsuit says Meta did nothing to protect children against predators. New Mexico is demanding safeguards be in place.
Real age verification, not allowing the unsolicited contact of an unassociated adult with a minor child.
The state's case is built on an undercover investigation using fake social media accounts posing as kids to document sexual solicitations and the response from Meta.
Presented as an underage child on that platform, and likely within a matter of minutes, if not days, that child would be inundated with sexually explicit material.
The state is seeking monetary damages and an order directing Meta to make changes to improve children's safety while using the platform. Meta has strongly denied allegations in the lawsuit filed against the company. The parent company of Instagram and Facebook is characterizing the state's approach as, quote, sensationalist and irrelevant, arguing it has spent over a decade developing and implementing robust safety measures to support young users.